Let's learn about safety precautions in welding. Let's take a look at safety precautions with respect to electricity. There should not be any loose wire inside the mains box. As high current is used in welding, it is essential to wear gloves while switching on the mains to avoid electric shocks. While welding, always wear personal protective equipment. Helmet, apron, dry leather gloves, and safety shoes, preferably with fiber toe protection. Protect the power source from water. Do not touch live electrical parts. Disconnect input power before servicing unit. Ensure that panel, side panel, and front panel are fitted on the machine. Replace damaged parts that provide insulation. Ensure proper earthing by clamping the work table with the earth clamp. Let's take a look at safety precautions with respect to radiation in welding. Radiation from the welding process affects eyes. Therefore, always use a welding screen or welding helmet. Let's take a look at safety precautions with respect to fumes. During welding, fumes are generated. These fumes are harmful to the welder if exposed for a long period. Workplace is provided with proper ventilation or fume extraction arrangement. Do not keep materials that can easily catch fire near the welding area. Fire extinguishers are kept in the welding area. Let's take a look at safety precautions with respect to fire. Clothes worn should preferably be made of flame retardant material.